Today we are not counting calories, we are counting happiness because life is stressful. But creamy pasta understand us. If cooking was a competition, I would rather win gold for confidence. This kitchen is my gym, and this pan is lifting my mood. Stay with me. We are about to turn simple ingredients into edible joy. My doings where mistakes are illegal and flavor is the boss. I don't cook, I command ingredients to behave. This pasta didn't choose greatness. Greatness choose this pan. Watch closely because confidence is the main ingredient today. By the end of this, even the spoon will respect me. So now let's start the doings. This is my macaroni here. I'm adding my hot water. Today we are not just cooking, we are creating comfort in a plate. Every great dish starts with a simple decision. I can do this, yeah. As I'm preparing this ingredient, I remind myself good things in life are built step by step, just like a recipe. Cut slowly, breathe, enjoy the process. Cooking is not rushing. Cooking is trusting yourself. So now macaroni, our milk, our salt. Now we have started our macaroni now. You can hear the sound. That the sound of effort turning into reward. Nothing is beautiful happens without heat. Even in life, pressure cooks greatness out of us. So I'm adding black pepper and chopped garlic here now. Creamy, smooth, and coming all together. Now we stir the sauce gently because patience always makes things richer. Yeah, just like dreams when you don't give up on. Okay, so I'm adding one chicken stock. Every stir says I am proud of what I'm making. Every aroma says keep going. Mistakes in the kitchen don't mean failure. They mean you are brave enough to try. And look at this pasta. Simple ingredients, powerful results. Never underestimate small beginnings. So as we combine everything, remember, life is about mixing effort with love. Let's add our fresh yogurt, our cream cheese, and our cream. This meal is proof. You don't need perfection to create something amazing. And now it's ready. You see? It's so creamy. Now we add the cheese and the cream, the yogurt, and all the spices together, and we are stirring because dry pasta is a crime in the kitchen. This is not mixing. This is a luxury upgrade. I don't add the cream for fun. I add it for respect. Same goes to the cheese. So look at that. Smooth, rich, and behaving like royalty. If sauce had a passport, oh come on, man, this one is the first class. Now we dey here, no shaking. Now I stir gently, confidently, because panic has never made a good sauce. In my kitchen, I don't rush. We conduct flavor like an orchestra. Look at that sweet, smooth decision, smooth life. Oh, this macaroni is giving. Hey, look, oh, if your sauce is calm, your future is calm. Everything is coming together like this pasta. It proves that chaos can be delicious if you handle it right. This is oregano. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. The name is Bidina Walker Doings. See. So I will add the rest of the macaroni on top here. So the chicken is in the middle and the mac cheese is down and top. Yeah, it was chicken, corn, spices, parsley, oregano, my carrots. I didn't show it because the time that I'm supposed to show you the chickens sauteing, the phone went off, so I have to make it offline. This food, the way it's so nice, I cannot eat it. You know me, all this kind of food, you know, I don't like. I cannot eat. Mine is jollof rice. Yeah, if I get jollof rice, I'm free to go. And then shredded mozzarella cheese on top. You can see it's very simple. Yeah. Wanana Ingwanshefo Kotono Ingwantamuon Erasa Wawawasen Erasa Enyamina Yechashina Nazi Shana give me the wings of faith to rise. We keep the veil unseen, the saint above, how bright your joy. It's be that in a work I'm doing. So I'm putting it in the oven. I'm baking the top for 50 minutes. Then we served. Very simple recipe. You can try some for your friends, your family, you yourself. Yeah. Odoye focus. Midawase was I mommy. Midawase fweje. Midawase radie. Osayi nyami. Yedawase o yedawase. Was I mayen. Misidana makafu. Radie Osahi nyamie Asidanka uda Efwe nyamie Misidana mekafu Uya himonye Israel nyamie Asida ye nyamie Mashakambri andaha. Into the oven we go. The spiral treatment for hard-working pasta. Heat doesn't destroy greatness, it reveals it. While it bakes, remember, pressure is just life preheating your success. This oven is not cooking food, it's manufacturing pride. And now the final reveal. Look at the beauty of our pasta. Golden on top, creamy inside, just like confidence. This is not dinner. This is a standing ovation in a pan. We will serve it hot and serve it proud, because today we didn't just cook. We proved that ordinary ingredients plus bold attitude equals masterpiece. Thank you for watching. God bless you.